Hi. This is me doing my thing. Oh, all right, so here's the thing. You see how low it is? All right, I really am prepared for this. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, you got two ends. You got this one, and then you have the skinny one. The skinny one, don't worry about it now. The thick one goes on this. Then you get two washers. So one of the washers is gonna go, pull it all the way up so you don't lose the washer. Little washer is this little black thing. You're gonna put that in there. Okay. Make sure it's flush, which means make sure it's nice and flat. Okay, so you got the thick part there. Then you have the skinny one. It looks like, you see it? Okay. And then you got the little washer, and you're gonna do the same thing. Make sure you pull it all the way up, hold it, and then you put the little washer in there. And this is gonna go on here. Okay, so then the last part is this, which is just a place to hang it, and just like a sticker. And then it comes with this too, which is it's supposed to be a tape, plumber's tape or something, if you have any leaks. Oh, so much better. Oh, it's leaking. It's leaking. Hi. All right, so let me just try and see if one of them in the middle is going to be just rain, and then the one on the left is going to be two streams that come out of here, goes shh, and then the one on the right is going to have one stream. It's going to go shh. So if you got okay, so that's going to be, oh, it's nice. It's like a mist. This is like rain. Like a heavy rain. Like a heavier rain. Medium. Hot. Really high. Hot. 75 or something. What the hell? This is I guess maybe if you have a dog or something. I don't know. This is tall for me. Give Coco a bath. I just take that down and that's it. Do you see? Thank you for visiting. I look yellow in these lights, but thank you for visiting. I hope that helped. I'm going to totally fix all of this video and snap it up and make it short. So that was my review for this right here, AquaCare. You will see me on Amazon, and I will talk to you guys soon. How much did I pay for it? I believe it was like, I think it was like 25 bucks. So it was a good deal. I needed it. So I didn't want to spend more than 20, and 25 bucks was okay. With the shipping, I think it was like 31 or something. And I got it very, very fast. Like within 3 days, I got it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that helped, and I'll talk to you soon. God bless you. And what do we say? We say ciao for Mouthy Fox. Wow.